Hi and welcome, I am here today with REALME 8 and I'll be showing you how to change fingerprint sensor animation. So right now, if I try to unlock this phone with fingerprint, as you can see, there's a small animation around my finger, and it's pretty easy to change that on this phone. Simply go to Settings, Personalizations, Fingerprint Style, and now you can choose between many different animations. Let's for example go with, I know, this one. Okay. Now if we lock our phone again and try to unlock it using our fingerprint, as you can see, the animation is quite different. And that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.